Hello, welcome to postuploader.com. Today I will guide you how to add nofollow, dofollow and sponsor link in WordPress for Gutenberg and Classic Editor. It's something you are declaring link relation with your website. For example, nofollow means Google will count it as unauthoritative link or Google will not count this link as a backlink. And dofollow means Google will count this link as a proper backlink and it will improve your SEO. And sponsored link means that link either affiliate or someone is directly paying you to give that link. That means you are earning with that link. Okay, start. I am going to show you how you can do it. So firstly, I am going to my website dashboard and I am going to all post section page and I am going to open firstly Gutenberg blog editor post. After that, I will show you in classic editor. So let's move with Gutenberg blog editor. I want to make this publishing package. This as hyperlink like www.google.com. After giving the permalink here, just click submit or enter button, then linking is done. But how I can make it as a no follow, do follow or sponsored? So click on that link and click the edit link. Then you will get no follow and sponsored link option. Okay, before doing these things, I am declaring on important things. If you want to get this option, you must need to install a plugin, SEO plugin. For example, if I come in plugin section, here search with either rank math. This is the rank math plugin. I'm using this plugin for my website. You also can use this one. It's completely free. Otherwise, you can use Yoast. Search with Yoast. Yoast SEO. This plugin also works perfectly. This both two plugins are very famous, but except these two, there has lots of other plugin also. If you wish, you can use anyone. Then you will get this no follow and sponsored link option. Perfect. I am going my post section. I already made this anchor text as a hyperlink. So I am clicking on this hyperlink. After that, there has a pencil icon. I am clicking on that edit link. Then you will get this option like advanced. Click on advanced. Then it will open. You can make open in a new tab. If someone will click that link, it will open in a new tab. And basically by default, all link are do follow link. So if you don't want to make that link do follow, then just set to no follow. Then it will be marked as no follow link. And if you want to make this link set to sponsored, then Google will get a reminder or something notification. This link, someone is paying for this link, or you will get some commission by using this affiliate link, something like this. So if you want to make this sponsored, you can set this as a sponsor. All three you can select together, or if this link is not no follow, then just untick this box. Or if you want to open this link on same tab, then you can untick this also. So that's the way. Just I'm making it no follow and sponsored and save draft and view preview. This is the link. So it's already no follow and marked as sponsored. Now I will show how you can do this same thing in classic editor. Okay, so I am going to my post page again, and I am going to open this paste post in classic editor. This is the classic editor. I want to make random text. These two text want to hyperlink. For hyperlink, I am going to click on above link section and writing here www.google.com as an example link. You will use your desired link here. After giving this link, press apply or enter keyboard. So linking is done. But I need to know how can I make it no follow and sponsor. So again I am clicking on that link, again clicking on edit pencil icon, and this time you will get a settings icon, gear icon like. So click on link option. After clicking the link option, you will get same three option as like Gutenberg block editor. So if you want to make it relation no follow, tick this. If you make it sponsored, tick this. If you want to make link in a new tab, just tick this. So here tick system is same. Just give update and save draft this post. Preview post. So this linking is done. That's the thing actually. It's completely done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.